Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eyes and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in a word and you say them slowly and you go back and say the sounds together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Spaceship. S, p, ace, sh, I, t. You have a go for me? Well done, good job. Let's have a go all together one more time. Spaceship. S, p, a, s, sh, I, p. Well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called An Amazing Find. What our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. An Amazing Find. Max, Cat, Ant and Tiger were on a school trip into the woods. When nobody was looking, Max took Knock out of his backpack. Tiger kicked a pile of leaves. Whoopee, he said. This is going to be fun. It would be even better if we were small, said Cat. The children pressed their buttons and shrank. They had not gone very far when they came across a giant pile of leaves. A bit of grey metal was sticking out from it. Just then a humming sound filled the air. What's that? asked Cat. I think it's coming from that, said Ant, pointing to the metal object. At once Knock jumped up onto the object. He began hurling the leaves aside. Stop, Knock, yelled Max. You could be in danger. I'm not in danger, said Knock excitedly. This is mine. Knock stopped speaking as a blue, glowing light surrounded him. Then he vanished. Knock! cried Cat. Where did he go? asked Tiger. The humming sound was getting louder. Ant looked down. His arm was glowing blue. What's happening? he said. You are starting to fade, Ant, yelled Cat. We all are, said Max. Whoa, said Tiger. Cool. Quick, run, cried Ant. It was too late. Each of them vanished one by one. They found themselves in a strange room. There were screens and control desks all around them. It was a very high-tech. What is this place? asked Tiger. It's like being in a film, said Ant. Welcome, said a happy voice. Knock! cried Cat. You are okay. Where are we, Knock? asked Max. On my spaceship, said Knock excitedly. Just then a funny-looking robot came hovering into the room. Wow, a space robot, said Ant. You are back, the robot said to Knock. Knock ran over and hugged it. I've missed you, Knock said. The robot looked at the children. Hello, my name is QZSXX4542QZ7, but you can call me Seven, it said. Nice to meet you, Seven, said Cat. What happened to your ship? asked Max. We flew into the space storm, said Seven. We lost control of the ship. We were about to crash, said Knock. Seven made me parachute to safety. It was frightening being lost on a new planet. Luckily, we found you, said Cat. Hey, what's this for? Tiger asked. He had found a big red button. Stop! yelled Seven. But it was too late. Tiger had pressed the button. The spaceship began to shudder and rumble. They were taken off. Now that I've finished reading the story, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me rewind it. you can listen to me but by rewinding the video, or you can press the play button on Oxford Owl where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page and you'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll then need to press start again and find all the different words in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture once you have completed it. Enjoy and have fun.